morning, traders. This is Frank Cholly with RJO Futures in Chicago, coming to you on Tuesday morning, June 12th, with your grain market morning commentary. Currently, we have grains trading a little lower. Corn is 4 to 6 lower, maybe 8 to 10 lower in the new crop, 4 to 6 lower in the old crop. Soybeans steady to a couple lower. Wheat trading about 6 to 8 lower. In the outside markets, things are mostly firm, but no big changes there. We had a big USDA supply-demand crop production report this morning. And for soybeans, the report was pretty bullish. The market started out earlier, firmer, and is giving away all those gains. Now, keep in mind, today is the first opportunity that traders had to actually trade the report when the report's released. So obviously things are going to be a bit volatile. There's a lot of data to sift through in these USDA reports, US and world supply demand. So there's an awful lot of information to go through while the market's open. You got to decide, do I sift through the information, read the report, see what's really there, or do I try and trade it? Since the market's open, guys try and trade it. The initial reaction is kind of knee-jerk, and then the market settles down and starts to move again. So in the soybeans, ending stocks came in at 170 million bushels. Traders' estimate was about 195. The previous month was around 210. So that's pretty supportive. And the market did start out firmer. However, like I said, right now it's trading a little lower. The corn report was mostly bearish. Ending stocks came in at 851 million bushels. Trade expectation was for somewhere around 128. So they basically left it unchanged from the previous month. Corn did start out easier. It bounced off the lows, got down to 575 or so into July, bounced back to 590. Now we're back down to about 4 or 5 cents. The wheat report was mostly bullish, not quite as bullish as what market expectations were looking for. Again, one thing I like to point out, at least in my opinion, what I see is that wheat tends to get led along by the corn trade. So wheat's also trading lower right now. When we get this report out of the way this morning, and trade quickly turns its focus to the weather. Weather is far more important right now. Most of the Corn Belt is considered to be very dry, in need of some timely rains. This can ease some of the stress of the crop right now. If we don't get the rain, market goes right back up. And also, this report's out of the way and trade starts to focus at the end of the month. We have a big quarterly report. So it was rather uneventful, a little bit choppy. I think it was mostly thin, more than actual volatility in the market. But this was the first opportunity for traders to trade the grain markets while the report comes out. Focus on the weather, keep an eye on those outside markets. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. It's 800-826-4124, or you can send me an email. Keep your comments coming, I appreciate it. And as always, remember that trading commodity futures does involve substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for everyone. Thank you.